What is behind me? I'm presenting today. It's a brand new 2025 Shadow Cruiser 300 RLS. A nice 30-foot travel trailers with a kitchen island in the middle, two opposing slide, and a big rear living, loaded with auto leveling, only for $37.99. Now you think I'm a salesman, but I want to say this now because I'm not a salesman. I'm just want to show you the deal, and it's one time in life. I am speechless and I'm shocked. How we got that deal, I have no clue. You could ask Best RV, but we presenting the most beautiful rear living travel trailer with two slide outs, two power awning, auto leveling, loaded, solar, you name it, only for $37.99. It's the unbelievable deal. Let me show you what you're getting for $37.99. So what is behind me is a beautiful 2025 Shadow Cruiser, 30 feet. As you see here in the video, two power awning with LED lights, power tongue jack in the front. It has auto leveling. This, and I'll show you the controller. Come already with a 200-watt solar panel, and that's the controller, and the solar is on the roof. Inverter prep. I can control the slide out from here if I want to. It has even tire monitoring right here. Battery disconnect switch, pass-through, aluminum structure. This is aluminum structure unit, fiberglass. Coming down here, it has the wider door, and it's a glass. Look at it. This is a wide door. It has the long entry assistant handle, easy to get in. Like for me, I'm old. 30 feet. It has a 3-year limited structure warranty, 1 year tip to tip, 12 years on the roof. It has also the climate defense, which is mean it has the enclosed underbelly, heated, double insulation in the floor and the ceiling, the two power awning with LED lights, a spare tire with the covers, as you see in the back, a backup camera prep, leopard expandable ladder. This is the second slide. So there, just to make it easy, two slide out, kitchen island in the middle. So you're sitting here in the theater seating, facing the TV and the fireplace. Coming in. It has endless hot water heater over here. Unbelievable outside sprayers, city water connections, sandy flush, slam luggage door. And then you can see here the auto level. This unit has auto level. Believe me, 37.9 with the auto level. Where are you gonna find this deal? Only at Best RV in Torla, California. Right, folks. I'm inside the brand new 2025 Shadow Cruiser 300 RLS. The one for a deal. I don't know how we got it, but we passing it to you. And normally, as Nala Marty, I'm talking always when I do a video for you is always I do talk about features, benefits, and I never mention any prices because I want to show you the quality and the value what you're getting for your money. But this time, and excuse me, I started talking about the price because when they told me what to advertise this for, I was like pulling my hair and I could not believe it. And I went to the management and I said, "Is that true? We're gonna sell this unit for $37.99?" And they say, "Yes, we got a deal and we pass it to our customers. So we give them something they cannot shop, and they have just come and take advantage of it." Because in my 26 years selling an RV, I never seen a travel trailer, 30 feet travel trailer, okay? Fiberglass aluminum frame. So you could see this, all this wide, it's all aluminum frame, okay? Gel coated, cap in the front, aluminum frame, styrofoam installations with as the fiberglass, AC, heaters, auto leveling. Folks, I'm saying it, auto leveling for that price, auto leveling. Electric tongue jack, two big propane, big cap in the front, 200-watt solar panel, inverter prep, 10.6 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt, the big 3-burner range in an oven, a microwave, a kitchen island in between, and a theater seating facing the TV and the fireplace. By the way, this does not come with the Fire TV, but for the deal we give you, you could get any TV you want. And the pantry behind it, and then another pantry to the side, only for $37.99. I could not believe it. And I want to just indicate to you, it's true. For $37.99, we have 10 of them we bought on a deal, and we passed those 10 to you. So all I'm asking you, if you want that price on an auto leveling with a solar and two slide and theater seating and a big view rear window with a height of bed sofa, you better run and jump and grab it before it disappears, because you know and I know and both deep of our heart and on your research, and even if you do the doubt, no one will offer you that deal except us, Best RV in Trolla, California. Now I'm going to talk about features and benefits so you could see what you're getting for 37. So first thing, as soon you walk in from the entry door, you have a kitchen island. As you see, very big area for prepping, very roomy. One country sink, deep, with a cutting board. Okay, there's a big place here for cooking pans. There's a big trash can. I mean, it's a solid door. All utensils. And then behind me, there's a nice prepping area counter space with a nice 3-burner range and an oven and more cooking pan doors, more deeper door for whatever you want to put, and then a nice microwave and another storage next to it. So this is just the kitchen and the oven. And then you have the 10.6 cubic foot refrigerator. Man, still in the tape. Could not believe it. This is a brand new, acting brand new. The tape's still on it. 10.6 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt. Then, if you say this storage is not enough for my wife, she needs more storage, need more pantry. Well, guess what? You have a huge, nice pantry here with a shelf. And then you have, this is what we call it, the appliances counter space. Plug, nice counter space, coffee maker, toaster, espresso machine, shelf. You could do margarita mix here and some wine, glasses, hard liquor, whatever shelf you want to put. More doors, more doors, more storage, more storage. And then if you tell me now, you know what? I need more. Well, guess what? Coming in. I got it here. We have a nice pantry here behind the TV and the fireplace. I could put whatever I want in this unit with no problem. And then it has a shelf here. The left, you could put videos. And they have all the hookup for the TV and the fireplace is done. You don't have to do nothing. All you just have to buy the TV. And again, we have deals for these TVs. I love this hidden door. You think it's a lintel, but it's a door. You could put whatever you want and it look like a lintel, fireplace lintel. Nice fireplace. Again, it's already prepped for TV. Going here in the back, big view windows. Look, and they're all, these windows, a lot of people, they tell me they open. I mean, I could push more and show you. These windows open. So this one get fresh air, this big one get fresh air, this one get fresh air. Plus, you need more storage. I don't know what you want to put here, but you got a storage. I mean, this is called the storage trailer. And then you have a beautiful shade. Then you have a beautiful hide-a-bit sofa. You could sit easy 3 people or 2 big guys with a cup holder, place for your laptop, place for your iPad. And by the way, there's a USB plug 110 on both sides, so no problem. And this is a bed, come all the way down there. And then you have a nice theater seating with the cup on. Oh my God, I need those theater seating, especially after this big day. Oh, where's my drink? Time to go to sleep. And show me for $37.9 you're getting all this. I want to know what product you're comparing. Even Best RV, when you try to spend $37, you're always gonna get 1 slide trailer. But this one, 2 slide with all this humidity, just to prove for you it's a deal. To prove for you as a customer and do the doubt. It's one time. And then what's gone is gone. Normally I don't talk about price, but when I saw this deal, I told them I need to educate my customer and put them up to speed. So when they go somewhere else and they look, the first question, just ask any dealer. 30-foot trailer, aluminum frame, fiberglass, solar auto leveling with 2 slide and a kitchen island and a big window. What's the price? And then you're gonna drop your chain to the floor when you see the big jump between 37.9 and most dealers are 150 or 45 or 46, and we're 37. How come? You tell me. This, I love the dinette. It's easy hold for people. You see the big room because they extended here, so you could sit 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. And look how it's easy. They open and you could put store things. Very easy. They're smart. I don't have to carry a board and this and that. You just flip it and storage. So this is in the kitchen and the living area. And don't forget, you have a nice subwoofer speakers here. Nice speakers. You see here. Nice LED modern. Central dock. 15,000 PTU air condition. Going here. Beautiful queen bed. This is the queen 60 by 80. A lot of storage. Even deep storage underneath. And I like what they did. All these bins, you can put your socks, underwear, some undershirt, blanket sheets, pillow there. And then you tell me it's not enough. Well, come over here. Big hanging clothes. More doors. Another TV I could put here. I could put 2 TV, 1 in the bedroom, 1 in the living room. More storage. Place for your breathing machine and 110 and USB, both sides. Easy to get in, reading light when you go to bed. And then you have a beautiful pocket door here for full privacy. And then coming down here, coming in, cameraman, show them how big this bathroom. Show them how wide. Look, all my elbows. I doubt you're gonna take a shower like this. You're gonna be moving, but look the elbow. Look the height. I'm 5'6", so no issue. Nice medicine cabinet. Wood, not a paper or plastic, sorry. Nice sink with a faucet. Place for hair dryer. Place for linens. There's no issue for a knees. My knees is not gonna hit the cabinet. And again, more storage for the bathroom and a shelf. So this was the 300 RLS 30-foot travel trailer rear living from Shadow Cruiser with a 3-year warranty structure, 1 year tip to tip, 12 on the roof. And again, one-time deal, only $37.99. The best deal in the country is right here. Come in and grab it before somebody else takes it.